Good morning. So, as we come to the end of the first half of the Trinity term, Mr. Wybrow is going to say, well, let's make sure we're all concentrating about getting on with each other. And you'll go, oh, we've heard this before. Mr. Wybrow, you always tell us to try and work to get on with each other. Well, that's the point. We've got to work to get on with each other. Let me give you some examples. All from the news, all from this weekend's news. So, firstly, you hear about a plane being diverted on its way from Greece to Lithuania because a particularly unpleasant leader of a country called Belarus wants to arrest a journalist. Wow, that's quite extreme. People not getting on with each other. Then you hear about the fact that there is someone who is quite high in the Black Lives Matter movement who has been shot, and it's a woman called Sasha Johnson who's in hospital in intensive care because she has views which differ from others. You hear about an organisation called Stonewall, which is all about, it's an organisation which looks after the beliefs of those people who have different views on gender, and how it is having to do lots of work at the moment. You also talk about poor James Newman, our entry for the Eurovision Song Contest, who got no points and then receives a tweet from a member of a political party in Scotland, a woman called Rhiannon Spear, who says, don't worry Europe, we hate the United Kingdom as well. I mean, really, this is an adult. This is an adult who is speaking like this, and here I am as a teacher desperately trying to tell you to be nice to each other. My point is that we have to work at it. If we assume that getting on with each other is just going to happen, then if we're not careful, we won't. Amesbury is a great organisation for that, for being kind and nice to each other. And that's because we work at it. We make a point of trying to listen to each other's views, to play the games that other people want to play, to not make comments about how we want to dress or wear our hair, etc., etc. We have to work at it. Let's go back to James Newman, and also to a gentleman called Phil Mickelson, who at the age of 50 became the winner of a golf tournament, a major golf tournament in America. Again, here my point is that good old James Newman, he didn't get any points, he didn't do very well, but he tried his very, very best. And Phil Mickelson telling us that really we can keep working, keep driving at something, and perhaps in the end a success will come. So my message today, work at being nice to each other. Don't just let it happen. Thank you.